morning everyone. Today, we the students of grade 8A are going to celebrate 71st National Constitution Day. Constitution Day, National Law Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in India on 26 November. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, but it came into force on 26 January 1950. Story behind making of the Constitution. On 29 August 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution for India. The original copies of the Indian Constitution were written in Hindi and English. Both the versions of the Constitution were handwritten, not typed. Why is Constitution important? A constitution is very important because it ensures that those who make decisions on behalf of the public fairly represent public opinion. It also sets out the ways in which those who exercise power may be held accountable to the people they serve. Now, my friend Gibran is going to give you some important facts about the Constitution.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about some of the interesting facts about the Indian Constitution. The handwritten Constitution was signed on 24th January 1950 by 284 members of the Constituent Assembly, which included 10 women. It came into force 2 days later on 26 January. Our constitution makers took inspiration from various other constitutions while drafting the one for a country. This is why the Indian Constitution is often called a bag of borrowings. The preamble of our constitution was inspired by the preamble of USA, which also started with "We the People." The constitution has been hailed as one of the world's best constitutions because in 62 years of adoption, it had been amended only 94 times. As of now, our constitution has undergone a total of 103 amendments. With 23 parts containing 448 articles and 12 schedules, the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any other sovereign country in the world. The original copies of the Indian Constitution, written in Hindi and English, are kept in special helium-file cases in the Library of Parliament of India. The English version of Constitution contains 1,17,369 words. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Behari Narayan Razada. When the draft was prepared and put up for debate and discussion, over 2,000 amendments were made before it was finalized. The ideals of liberty, equality, fraternity come from the French Constitution. These words appear in the preamble of Constitution of India. Every page of Constitution of India was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. The Constituent Assembly had met for the first time on 9 December 1946. Thank you.
Right to equality. All persons are equal before the law. It means that all persons shall be protected by the laws of the country. It also states that no citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, caste or sex. All persons have access to all public places including hotels, restaurants, playgrounds, etc. The state cannot discriminate against anyone in the matters of their employment.
The Constitution also gives us one more right. That is the right to freedom. This right includes the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to form associations, the right to move freely and reside anywhere in the country, and the right to practice any kind of profession, business or occupation.
Hello everyone, my name is Saichel. I am studying in grade 8. There are 6 fundamental rights in our Indian Constitution, and I am going to speak about the third fundamental right, that is right against exploitation. Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labor and employment of children under 14 years of age under this right. Thank you.
Right to freedom of religion. According to this act, religious freedom is provided to all citizens. Every person has the right to practice, profess and propagate the religion of their choice.
Cultural and educational rights. The Constitution states that all minorities, religious or linguistic, can set up their own educational institute in order to preserve their own culture.
Right to constitutional remedies. This is the most important right provided by the Indian Constitution. In this, if any person feels that his rights have been violated by any person or institution, he is free to go to the court for his justice.